How's it going, everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here, and today I am with Cullen Collects Fans, and this is one of the fans that he had got from the PA meet. It's the 1986 Hunter Studio Series in antique brass. It's not a bad looking fan, but alrighty, you want to demonstrate it? Alright, there's low. Got a decent low speed, not too bad. I think the blade irons need to be bent a little bit. Alright, there's medium. Alright, now go to high. And there's high, folks.
Wobbles a little bit.
A little wobbly. Looks like one of those fans you'd see in a small little diner. Little wobbly fans. Alright. There's off. It's not a bad fan. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later.